Today's video I will show you how you can make money online without any investment. As you know, recently, many ways has been revealed to make money online. However, many people didn't like the idea for different reasons. I decided to share this new method, which is entirely different from what you've heard before. This method required 3 different websites. The first one is Quora.com, which was biggest questions and answer social websites. The second website we need is Amazon affiliate account. If you don't know, Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces with thousands of affiliate offers. You can promote and earn money. If you don't know how to make Amazon affiliate account, you can watch my previous video. But you can also use ClickBank and Digistore24. The third website you need is ChatGPT. With the help of those 3 websites combined, you can start making passive income. Now, let me show you how this method works in detail. So first step you need to do is head off to Quora.com. I will also leave the link in descriptions box and create your free account here. You can also sign up with Facebook account. Once you are logged in, this is how your dashboard look like. Our main goal on Quora is find problems that we can solve using ChatGPT. Now, there are many problems you can start solving to earn commission, but I suggest you that you focus on health categories. For example, I will choose diet plan for better health. Now go to the search bar here and type diet plan, and as you can see here, you will get endless results. All these questions are about diet plan. Then, here on left hand side we have some filters, and always choose here past hour or past days. By applying these filters, you won't have as many competitors as if you were trying to answer questions that have been posted while ago. Now, we have all recently posted questions about diet plan. For example, I am gonna choose this one. How can I lose weight using a keto diet plan in 2023? Now, all you need to do is copy the questions and head off to the ChatGPT and paste your text here and type "tell me a short answer." When your answer is generated, you have to copy the whole text and back to the Quora.com. Then, here click on question. After that, click on comment box and paste the text generated from ChatGPT. Once you finish, don't post it immediately. We still have one more important step, which is finding a product to promote. Then all you need to do is head off to the Amazon affiliate program and create a free account. Once you are in, you will see all the different products that you can promote and earn commission. And here, you will have the products categories on the left hand side. Now, we have to find the product related to the questions we are answering. So in my case, I will search for keto diet plan. After that, all related products will appear here as you can see. Do your own research and choose the best products. For example, I will choose this one: keto diet, your 30-day plan to lose weight, balance hormones, boost brain health, and reverse disease. Then open this product and click on text link and copy your affiliate link and back to the Quora.com. Now, we have to add this affiliate link in our answer. There are many ways to do that. For example, you can add a new section to your answer by typing personal recommendation. Then, paste the product name you are promoting. After that, simply add the link into the product name. As you can see, this looks much cleaner than pasting the link. Once you've done everything's here, click on add comment. Now, when people read your answer and click on affiliate link to buy products, you will get commission. The best part is that you only have to do this once, and your answer will stay forever. The most important step you need to take on this business idea. Number 1, try to answer the questions as many as possible daily. Number 2, be one of the first people who give the answer by applying the time filter. Remember that make money online requires time, effort, and dedication to see results. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.